Are you tired of the endless search for that ideal domain name for your business? Well, no worry. We have the solution for you. Introducing Domain Finder Superdomain, your ultimate companion in the quest for the ideal domain name. Here's how it works. Simply open the GPT store, enter Domain Finder Superdomain, and let the magic begin. Start chatting with GPT and tell it what you're looking for. For example, if you're a social media management firm, type "suggest domain for social media management firm." And in seconds, the GPT will generate a list of domain names tailored to your needs. Browse through the suggestions, and when you find the one you like, enter its name to get more similar suggestions. Once it generates everything, click on Link to see its availability. Go through all the available domains. Once you've found the perfect domain, you can purchase it directly from the external website, all while checking its price. So, dive in, discover, and secure your ideal domain effortlessly with Domain Finder Superdomain. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.